First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates Medical Institute at Chikkabalapur in Karnataka, says India to become a developed country by 2047 with joint efforts of people. Union Home Minister Amit Shah attends 84th CRPF Rising Day ceremony at Jadalpur, says fight against Maoists in Chhattisgarh Bastar region is now in the final stage of victory. Meghalaya Assembly discusses lifespan of Umyam Bridge. Transport Minister says alternative route to Umyam Bridge being pursued. And Meghalaya Congress condemns disqualification of AICC leader and Wayanad MP Rahul Gandhi from Lok Sabha. Party leader Ronnie B. Lingdor says it is a threat to democracy. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has prompted every Indian to contribute towards making India a developed country by 2047. He said that the doubt whether India can be a developed country in 25 years can be answered through Sabka Siddhi and Sabka Prayas. He was speaking after inaugurating Sri Madhusudan at Sai Institute of Medical Sciences and Research in Mudendenahalli in Chikkabalapur district of Karnataka.
और इसलिए भाजपा की पूर्ण बहुमत वाली मजबूत स्थिर सरकार ये कर्नाटका के लिए आज समय की मांग है। कर्नाटका के उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए ये बहुत आवश्यक है।
Union Home Minister Amit Shah has said that the fight against Maoists in Chhattisgarh Bastar region is now in the final stage of victory. He said CRPF had played an important role in reducing the influence of Maoists. The Union Minister was addressing the 84th CRPF Rising Day ceremony today at Jadalpur, the headquarters of Bastar Division in Chhattisgarh. He said that CRPF Jawans risked their lives to bring development to tribals.
चौरासीवें स्थापना दिन के दिन बस्तर में यहां खड़ा होकर आप लोगों के बीच बोल रहा हूं। उस वक्त सीआरपीएफ के स्वर्णिम इतिहास को लिखते लिखते 2249 जवान वीर गति को प्राप्त हुए। मैं आज इस मंच से कृतज्ञ राष्ट्र की ओर से सीआरपीएफ के वो सभी 2249 जवानों को हृदय से श्रद्धांजलि देता हूं।
The three-day-long National Conference of Vice-Chancellors on Transformative Higher Education for Atmanirbhar Bharat ended today with its valedictory session graced by Assam Governor Gulab Chand Kataria as the chief guest. The conference was organized by the Association of Indian Universities, New Delhi, in collaboration with the University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya, from 23rd to 25th March at USTM campus. In his address, Kataria thanked AIU and all the vice-chancellors on behalf of Assam and all the states of the Northeast for participating in the conference. Rakam A. Sangma, Education Minister of Meghalaya, addressed the participants as a special guest of honor.
Transformative higher education for a आत्मनिर्भर भारत। तो विषय का चयन किया उसके लिए आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि अगर सारे विश्वविद्यालय को और यहाँ पढ़ाए हुए सारे विश्वविद्यालय को इस और सोचने के लिए एक दिशा मिले तो निश्चित रूप से हम जो कल्पना कर रहे हैं कि भारत विश्व गुरु आने वाले कुछ समय बनेगा वो आपके और हमारे सबके प्रयत्न से निश्चित रूप से उस पायदान पर हम जा पाएंगे। ऐसा मैं आपका दीर्घजनों से उम्मीद करता हूँ।
Transport Minister Abu Tahir Mondal has informed the State Assembly that an alternative route to the Umyam Bridge, which is the major lifeline of the state and interconnects several northeastern states, was being pursued even as measures are being taken to strengthen the bridge, which was built in 1965. The PWD and the National Highways Authority of India are trying to find another route so that we can avoid using this bridge, he told the House on Friday. Various suggestions were made by members during the question hour to ensure the safety of Umiam Bridge after opposition legislator Adan Basaimot of Voice of People's Party raised questions on the safety of the Umiam Bridge and the dam.
PWD and the National Highway Infrastructure Development Authority, they are trying to get another route so that we can avoid this bridge and the new road can be constructed. Moreover, sir, this stretch of road, as per the norms laid by the National Highway Authority of India, is qualified for 4-laning. So that process is being on, sir.
The Meghalaya Congress has condemned the disqualification of AICC leader and Wayanad MP Rahul Gandhi from Lok Sabha a day after the Surat court convicted and sentenced him to 2 years in jail in the defamation case. Congress Legislature Party leader Ronnie V. Lingdor said that it is a dangerous trend and a threat to democracy that opposition leaders are being disqualified and arrested without any space for appeal. He maintained that the instance only reveals that the defamation case was predetermined and motivated.
Opposition leaders arrested and the disqualification was so fast. Leaves no room for an appeal. Yes, he may have said something, but then I think this only shows that the defamation case was pre-planned, predetermined, is to get a reason to disqualify him as an MP, and once convicted, then you are disqualified, ineligible to contest in the next 6 years. So this is a very dangerous trend. I think this never happened in the history of independent India.
The 5th All Jantia Open Boxing Championship got underway at Lathlabor Ground yesterday. The 2-day event was organized by the West Jantia Boxing Association in collaboration with District Sports Officer West Jantia Hills District. Altogether, 15 bouts including semi-finals of different categories took place on the opening day. Inaugurating the tournament, the outgoing Superintendent of Police West Jantia Hills B.D. Marak lauded the association for organizing such an event where young pugilists got a platform to showcase their talents. The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 20.5 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 10.8 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 72%, while in the evening it was 85%. Rainfall was recorded at 5.2 millimeter. Forecast: light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at few places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in into our daily bulletin. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates Medical Institute at Chikkabalapur in Karnataka, says India to become a developed country by 2047 with joint efforts of people. Union Home Minister Amit Shah attends 84th CRPF Rising Day ceremony at Jagdalpur, says fight against Maoists in Chhattisgarh Bastar region is now in the final stage of victory. Meghalaya Assembly discusses lifespan of Umiam Bridge. Transport Minister says alternative route to Umiam Bridge being pursued. And Meghalaya Congress condemns disqualification of AICC leader and Wayanad MP Rahul Gandhi from Lok Sabha Party leader Ronnie V. Lingdor, says it is a threat to democracy. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, it's good night.